Hello friends, I was working in making this hood round again and I am actually done with it, but it is after that I was finished that I realized that this is a good tip I could share with you. So I'm going to explain what I did and then how I did it. It is extremely simple. This hood, as you can see, there is two big impacts here, so it was bended towards the interior and it actually allowed me to get the lens extremely cheap. The lens itself, it is a size 21mm 2.8. The lens needs some adjustment because it was obviously hit by something, I don't know what. I didn't ask either, but then this is what happened. So we had this input here, the hood was bended towards the inside and I needed to put it back in position. So the way I do this is I use an old cloth and then some pliers. So I have different sizes, but then if you only have one, and then this is like the ubiquitous plier that everyone has at home, at least everyone I know has one of these. So, and then I think you already got why we're doing this, why we need the cloth. So the cloth I fold, and then what I do is I put it on the region I want to bend, and then with the pliers I come and then I start forcing, gently deforming until I reach the shape I want. So I did this on this side, and then to finish I did this exactly on the same other side, and then as you can see the result, even though it is not perfect, it looks round. And this is all I wanted to share with you today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.